Hey, this is Arnest Digits and welcome to my YouTube channel. When I started out and sharing my YouTube channel, my videos, people thought it's a scam. Now watch this video until the end and let us clear all these once and for all. Now, when I started out and shared some sites, apps and websites which you can make money while at home during this COVID-19 period where people are supposed to work from home, people thought I was joking. Now look here, my channel is doing well anyway, but if you're one of the people that don't believe in that, then you need to subscribe on this channel as soon as possible, so that whenever I post any video that talks about websites, apps and also sites that pay you after doing some simple online tasks, you'll be the first one to get it. And of course you have to confirm, and I'll show you the proof and also explain some of the bonus tips that will make you earn more money while online. Do you want to know how I make these videos? Then stay tuned, because I don't use any other sophisticated equipment but only a smartphone and a few apps and sites that make me complete these YouTube videos. The one you see here, they're very clear, they're very beautiful, and you can just watch them wherever you are, on your computer or anywhere on any gadget as you wish. Now, most of my videos shares apps and sites that will make you more money. I've produced several videos. You can watch them and watch until to the end, because every strategy that I've put across, you follow it step by step. You can't miss anything and you start making money while online. Now, I want to share with you this as your bonus. Whenever you want to start anything, just start now, because Arnest Digits shares you and encourages you that there are no scams. It is true.